Let's face it, negotiating is a challenge, even for the best salespeople. Customers routinely take advantage of sales reps using negotiation tactics designed to commoditize deals, create price pressure, and erode margins. They can do this because most sales reps lack the knowledge required to predict such tactics. The result? Low confidence and reps making concessions they wouldn't normally make. But what if you knew the two patterns that all buyer negotiation tactics fall into, and could therefore predict what was going to happen in any negotiation with 97% accuracy? Now you can with Think Negotiation Blueprinting. Think Negotiation Blueprinting is a simple, scalable, and repeatable approach to negotiation planning and execution that changes the negotiation conversation from concerns about the prices of your products to the value of your solutions. Think Negotiation Blueprinting leverages advanced planning for the two negotiation patterns that buyers most frequently employ, giving you a best practice knowledge base and confidence to prepare for 97% of buyer behavior. The blueprinting process is based on a 2-year international study of buyer behavior, as well as knowledge gleaned from 2 decades of coaching 20,000 business negotiations in over 45 countries. Take control of the negotiation process. Visit e-thinkinc.com and obtain the tools you need to put the advantage in your corner. Think Business Negotiation Redefined.